Hello everyone, this is Defense Politics Asia, and this is the quick update over the situation at the Siversk Front. So this is Siversk and this is Liman. And this is the Serbiansky forestry, and the Ukrainian mapping Deep State UA has finally updated the map. And this time around, this mapping update, I'm surprised that they were honest about it. And they actually closed up this impossible salient over here along the river. So this comes after we have no continuous updates of Russian forces advancing through the forest, and this were the previous advances, and now in their latest mapping they have basically closed up this entire central eastern chunk of this river, which means the Russian forces have now fully secured all of the north of Rihorivka and Srebrenica. All of this forest region is now entirely under Russian control, as the Russian forces now continues to work on all the way to Dronivka, which is over here. And Dronivka. Let me push all the arrows. So you can see Dronivka around here, as the Russian forces going to push all the way in that direction, and then of course through Srebrenica, moving in the direction of Dronivka as well, in this northern flanking movement in the north of Siversk. So this is interesting, not shocking, but because we already have we can kind of tell that there's no more Ukrainian forces in the forest, as it's no longer a tenable situation. So this is sensible, and all in all, in the grand scale of the things, as you can see, the Russian forces already making all these advances in this sector here. Russian forces is likely to continue to Dronivka, and then after that they could potentially hit into the rear positions. They're going to go for Yampil and go into the rear of Siversk, and they basically avoid fighting the Ukrainians at Siversk, because there is a major fortification around here. It's not exactly necessary to really crash into the well-defended positions. So this flanking operation into the rear does make some sense, in my opinion. But of course, that remains to be seen whether the Russians will actually do it. Cutting off this road, this highway here, from Liman, will mean that the Ukrainians have only one left through the center, and that's why this arrow here goes all the way to cut off the other one, and Siversk will be operationally encircled. So anyway, that's it. There's a quick update over at the Siversk Front. So press the like button, subscribe. This is the DPA War channel. So this is not the channel with the 100k. So this is the second channel, which I'm trying to put all the Ukrainian war content to this place. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update.